Yo everyone, welcome. Bunny here. So by the time this go up, it should be curfew time, 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. So yeah, but anyway, today we're going over this article courtesy of the Jamaica Observer. So I'll definitely leave a link to it in the description below. As you can see here, longer wait for Ellie and Trevor. Of course, just reading the title alone, you don't know, say it's just basically going over the CM situation that Bad Boy Trevor and Elephant Man found themselves in recently, amidst the whole, pandemic situation. So let's read here. As I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself, but let's get into it. So the wait continues for dancehall artist Elephant Man and actor comedian Garfield Bad Boy Trevor Reed, whose trial dates were extended yesterday. Both men were scheduled to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court in Halfway Tree. Elephant Man's attorney, Christopher Townsend, said his client's case will now be heard on September 4. The matter was heard this morning at 9:30 a.m. via teleconferencing, and a new date was set for it to be heard. The prosecution has until next Thursday to present their evidence, Townsend told the Jamaica Observer yesterday. Elephant Man is charged with breaching Section 8, I guess Section 8, Article 5, or Section 8, Part 5. Of the Immigration Act, which mandates people arriving in Jamaica to make a truthful declaration to immigration personnel. The fine, according to precedent, is $100. Jamaican dollars or US? Anyway, the entertainer whose given name is O'Neil Bryan arrived at Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, along with an entourage on March 17 and was asked to declare the countries he visited. He was reportedly on tour in Europe, but did not declare all the countries he had been to. Europe has grappled with the outbreak of the pandemic, with thousands of deaths recorded in Italy, Spain, Germany, and the United Kingdom. Up to yesterday, Jamaica recorded 257 cases of the pandemic and 7 fatalities. Meanwhile, up to press time, Bad Boy Trevor was unable to say when his new trial date is. According to Trevor, quote unquote, my lawyer called me this morning and she told me not to come in to court because the date changed. I don't know what the new date is as yet, he told the Observer yesterday. The entertainer had previously said he was going to represent himself. Reed and co-accused Keneal Smith are charged with breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act, Noise Abatement Act, the Emergency Powers Act, and the Spirit License Act. yo, this is wild, honestly. They are currently on $100,000 bail each, according to a report from the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Corporate Communications Unit. At approximately 1 a.m. on March 23, a police team visited premises on Plantation Drive in Kingston 20, where an event was being held. They immediately shut it down and seized a portion of liquor. Reed and Smith were subsequently arrested and charged. At that time, Prime Minister Andrew Holness had issued a ban on all gatherings exceeding 20 people to slow the spread of COVID-19. That restriction is now down to 10. And honestly, it's more than likely going to go up even beyond that as the cases rise, more than likely. But yeah, that's basically it. Just the court dates, as you heard, change for Bad Boy Trevor and Elephant Man. Well, for Elephant Man specifically, Bad Boy Trevor, no confirmed date as yet, but I guess as we go along and if I see any interesting articles on it, I'll cover it here. But let me know what you think. And I mean, I'm sure a lot of persons have already voiced their opinion regarding the whole Trevor situation, to say the least. So there's not much more I personally can say on it. I mean, he did what he did. He acknowledged it. He apologized. He's taking the right steps to promote to persons to stay ayayad for the most part these days. So it's just to go through the court system and sort out everything there. So that's really where it is right now. So not more can be said on that. But anyway, Bunny here. Of course, be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe to BLA Productions. Of course, there's 1,000,001 things to watch here on the channel during the curfew hours. So yeah. But anyway, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a like, comment, all the works, and I'll see you in the next one. That wasn't really good cartel laugh, though, eh?